What's going on, everybody? This is Shields again with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington, and this afternoon I'm over here in Wayne County, North Carolina, and I'm going to be taking you through this beautiful custom Heartland 2 XL. Okay, so this is going to be very similar to our model, the Heartland 2 XL Laundry Plus. Okay, that's just telling you from the get-go that we've got that oversized laundry featured in this plan. This is, like I said, a very customized version of that 2XL Laundry Plus. So the original 2XL Laundry Plus is at 32 feet deep, 62 feet across. This customer took that 62 measurement all the way to 66. So this is a 32 by 66, and that will feature 2,089 heated and cooled square feet on that bottom level. And the reason I say bottom level is because this customer actually featured one of these a few weeks ago, but this customer added the storage tough. And what that means is they kept this house at a 712 roof pitch, but they still added that unfinished second level with the true staircase going up to it. So in most of my videos, when I reference that unfinished second level, I'm kind of, relying on the fact that you're going to go to a higher pitch roof. But like I said in the other video, if you know you're going to use it truly for storage and you don't really intend on having finished bedrooms up there, but again, you do want that true staircase going up to that unfinished space, you can always add this feature in any one level 712 plan, okay? So keep it at a 712, add the unfinished upstairs, have the staircase going up to it, and this customer's house does feature a 20 by 20 garage. So there you got a side loading garage fitting directly into that side loading utility room. Just works out really good. So just a really sharp exterior. You got one of our included siding colors. The black gutters and downspouts are the same price as white. White trims as far as your windows, window trims, fascias, soffits, all that stuff is going to be white, which is your included color with that stuff. Now the Heartland 2, the Heartland 3, whatever, does not matter. It will always consist of a optional front porch. So you're seeing a 6 by 20 gable style front porch. We got the open vaulted area there with the crowfoot accent. Big, thick, treated lumber posts, treated lumber steps, decking, pickets and posts, all that good stuff. All right. So let's get in here and check it out. All right, so again, we're walking a customized version of our 2XL Laundry Plus. They did add the unfinished second level. So some big things you're probably already noticing. So that is going to be the staircase going up to that unfinished storage area. Under the staircases, you now have options for your kind of everyday storage closet, which would be accessed right here. You can do a little desk nook like that. You've got some different options there. You can do a dog house in that space there. And then that all opens up into your kitchen on the right and dining on the left. All right, I'm gonna spin back around to that front door. Just a huge living room, and it really is. Bear with me on the smoke detectors today. All right, so off the right is your primary bedroom. I'll save that for last. I've already pointed out the staircase there. So let's just go right ahead and get into the kitchen. So right off the top, you want to realize that this is the alternate Heartland kitchen. This is not the standard Heartland kitchen. What it presents is more countertops, more cabinetry, a double-sided island like that. So it is a little bit more expensive. And then what it also does is presents you the opportunity to work in the hidden bootlegger pantry. So this is an option within itself. It can be in other plans, but you've got your hidden walk-in pantry. How cool is that? You will notice the black trim package, so knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucets. I did want to talk about this right here. This is typically where you'll find the tank water heater, the water heater tank, okay? This customer went with tankless, so you could add that back to the master closet. I'll show you what I'm talking about, or you can just do a storage closet like you're seeing there. Notice how they've got the two-tone cabinets, so they got the wall cabinets in our natural color, and they've got the island in the espresso. Any island, we're going to feature 3 pull-out drawers here. The bottom 2 are going to be this big, deep pot and pan drawer, super duper nice. Beautiful black sink that we also show in our model there at Burlington. I would point out just 1 can light over the sink would be included. They added an additional. Absolutely love this range hood. There are some free options for the range hood. This one is extra, and they also optioned in the always cool, classy, elegant pot filler there. Notice how the backsplash goes up to the ceiling. Really good stuff. As you can see, they're going to bring in their own fridge and range, which is always an option. And now to the dining. I feel like a broken record, but you would just have a double window there in this particular plan. If you want to option in a door, you can do an atrium like that where one side operates. You could do a true French where both sides operate, sliders, you name it, okay? Let's go down the hallway a little bit. On the right is going to be bath 2. I would point out the lighted mirrors. They're always going to be extra. All right, on my left is bedroom 2 and 3. Now, I talk about the ceiling fans a lot. Most of the customers bring in their own. This customer actually went with our ceiling fan. So your fancy switch is already going to be on the wall. If you don't include a fan, it is wired and braced for one, but if you want to save the headache and you like our fans, go ahead and get it through us. And then my favorite part about this particular plan is that gigantic side-loading utility room that you're seeing here. Very similar to the way we set it up there in Burlington as far as the features. The utility room sink, all the cabinetry, that is actually included of your washer and dryers. You can always option in a pet shower in this plan, other plans, but a really, really cool setup here. Check that out. Got the handheld for the pets, the dog, the water and food bowl down low. And then you've got your hall tree. All of these things are really optional, so I will walk you back through all those things. Even if you say you want it just like we show it there in Burlington, I would still go through it with you and make sure we're all on the same page. And then here's that 20 by 20 attached garage. So we typically, throw in a window, an exterior door, things like that, and then you can kind of take it from there as far as options with the garage. Okay? So I'm going to drop down my email right here, shields@nccustommodulars.com. If you're interested or you know anybody interested in building their dream home, please reach out to that email right there. What we are is we're a full turnkey custom home builder out of Burlington, North Carolina. We're located at 2450 North Church Street. My name is Shields. I'd be happy to set you up an appointment, talk to you on the phone, whatever we need to do. All right, on to the master suite. Good sized bedroom. Oh, wow. Huge walk-in closet. So that right there, that box out, is what I showed you in the pantry. So that is where that additional shelving was. That is typically where your water heater is, but if you go tankless, obviously we've got a something to talk about there with the space, okay? A great example of nationwide's included base molding, crown molding, door casings, all that stuff, gray agreeable walls, all that stuff is included, okay? Wow. Look at all the cabinets. Man. Again, with the lighted mirrors. They option for the 4x6 shower. You know now, if you've been watching my videos, you can really do any type of bathroom layout. A few things with this particular 4x6 shower. Notice how they paid a little extra to run the tile to the ceiling. Other than that, nothing really to point out in there. You could add a flip down seat, the built-in recessed boxes for soaps and shampoos. One other thing I would say is this is the glass door version of this shower. You can get this same size shower with more of a step in with like a half wall of glass here. And then you step in and it's just more of an open air type concept there. Water closet / toilet room. I'm gonna spin around. All right, so we're gonna go back in the living room. I'm gonna take you upstairs. So we call it like the storage tough option, or you could really call it a number of different things, but all this customer did is said, look, you know, I don't want to pay extra for the taller roof and all that mess, but I still want staircase going up to that unfinished space because I'm going to really use that storage. So here you go. It's only the second one you've seen on my channel so far. But check that out. How cool is that? Really, really quality storage, which everybody, you know, needs more of, it seems like. So yeah, it's just something to keep in mind. So that's it for today, guys. We basically walked a customized Heartland 2 XL Laundry Plus. What they did is they stretched it 4 feet. I think most of the 4 feet, this was actually my customer, most of the 4 feet, you know, was to compensate losing space in the living room for that staircase. So it's something to think about because obviously a staircase is going to take up usually living room space. So, you know, if there is some wiggle room in the plan and you want to stretch it a little bit to kind of make up for that lost square footage, that's something you can always think about. And this is a huge dining area. You'd have plenty of room for a China hutch or something like that. But one of my favorite kitchens by a long shot, absolutely great kitchen. Just checks all the boxes. And I'm gonna show you this walk-in pantry one more time. So thank you guys for watching. New videos every Monday and Thursday at 4:30. If you haven't already subscribed, man, please do so. It helps me out a ton. Just scroll down, click subscribe, and then you will never miss a video. All right, thank you guys. Take care.